Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right iPhone and getting close. Use the dedicated macro or ultra-wide lens. Once done, wipe the lens to avoid soft highlights and enable live photo or macro mode so focus can hunt less. Move the phone slowly toward the subject until the camera switches to macro, about 1 to 3 centimeters for most models. Hold steady with a small tripod or brace your elbows. This reduces blur and helps you see fine detail as you prepare the shot. Next, you refine focus and exposure so the tiny details read sharply. Tap to set focus and hold to lock AE/AF. This prevents the phone from refocusing when you nudge it. Then slide the exposure control to recover or prevent blown highlights. Make sure textures retain contrast. Compose tightly. Place the focal plane on an eye or edge, use the rule of thirds, and try low angles to emphasize texture. Keep background simple and move slightly to find the most dynamic composition. Finish with lighting, stability, and inspection to capture usable macro images. Position diffused natural light or a small LED ring to avoid harsh shadows. You can bounce light with white paper. Use burst or a 2-3 second timer so button press doesn't introduce blur, and stabilize the phone throughout. After each take, zoom to 100% to inspect sharpness and exposure. If details look soft, move an inch and retake. If problems persist, slightly increase light or reduce distance and repeat until the subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.